And now, it's time to take things up to a higher level.
This is my favorite part. Steam cleaning and vacuuming at the same time.
Let us show you some of the fantastic new features of my arsenal of accessories. They will enormously facilitate your house cleaning tasks and are trusty helpers in the combat on mites and home dust. To start the boiler, press the steam function button.
Adjust the steam level by using the steam regulator.
I am able to free your life of dust and mites and any other microscopic creatures, totally, completely, once and for all with this, my unrivaled continued steam power. My dress fit single jet accessory is great for removing heavy deposits of dirt and grease, and when combined with a little round brush, it works miracles. Then easily attach the small or large nozzle and vacuum everything off. There's no mission too impossible for me. Now check out the window wiper. Show him, Sophie. Simultaneously start two functions, steam and vacuum, increasing the steam level from minimum to maximum, slowly pushing window cleaner through the center towards the edges of the pane. Sophie can wash her windows now easily and quickly, even though it's wintertime.
Let me now introduce you to a friend of mine. It's the accessory carrier, but he likes to be called the Claw, because he likes to watch kung fu movies. The Claw is a very temperamental guy, and he's full of surprises. What you see is just an overture of what's to come. He's a real warrior, but also a perfect gentleman.
Sophie is using the dress fit single jet again to remove all the dirt from the corners.
And when the Claw comes in, that's truly perfection.
Here I am enjoying a sunny afternoon at Sophie's mama's house. Watch how the poor woman used to suffer before I came along. Man, it breaks my heart to watch beautiful ladies bending over backwards, when all they have to do is add the solids accessory with bristles to the Claw. You get a perfect tool for cleaning curtains and cleaning other textiles. You disinfect, straighten, and vacuum, all at the same time.
The Claw with the bristle accessory and I with my 150 Celsius steam power have a great many more surprises for you. But be patient. We save the best for last.
For destroying all the mites in your bedroom, you use the same combination.
So tell me, which one of you likes to live and sleep with these lovely looking characters? Anybody? I didn't think so. So excuse me for a minute, please.
So find yourself somebody to love.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Even Jim's dog Bruno does not present a problem anymore. The steam burns all the allergens that he brings in with him and keeps Sophie safe from allergies. It's so important to keep a healthy balance in a family. Sophie's father is even more inventive. He brushes Bruno directly. That's right, Bruno. Chill out, buddy. Uncle TL6S is gonna take care of you.
For your most cherished items, the round brush will do a beautifully delicate job of dusting.
Till somebody loves you.
This should only be used while vacuum cleaning.